Yesterday, a Honda Civic tried to climb into my boot when I stopped at a roundabout. Anyway, it gives me the opportunity to show you how to remove the rear bumper of the Saab 9.3. So if you need to change yours, stay tuned. On some years of car, there's a bolt that holds the bumper in underneath the light, and you need to remove the light unit to get at it. Here and here. Unfortunately, Saab's Whiz system does not give any concrete information on VINs or years, so I suggest that you do take the lights out of the body in order to check. The light units themselves are easy enough to get out. It's simply 3 10mm nuts on studs in the lights and they just come away. I have done a separate video on how to remove the light units and change all the bulbs, so I'll link to that in the description below in case that's useful for you. Under the back of the bumper, just a little over a foot apart, there are 2 10mm nuts on studs holding the underside of the bumper to the body. Go in at about a 45-degree angle and you can get the 10mm socket on by feel or else use a torch, but it is better to get down on the ground. Along the front edge of the bumper here, there are 3 8mm screws, one at the top, one in the middle and one just underneath here, that hold the bumper to the inner wheel arch liner. These two, the middle one and the top one, are just inside the bumper here, and depending on what suspension you've got, you might need to use a spanner. Mine's a lowered aero and I can't get in there with a socket, but you'll get a socket on this one, no problem. It's just in a little recess, and that's the same on both sides. If your car has got parking sensors, then there'll be a harness here where I've got a rubber grommet, and there's a connector about here. Disconnect that connector and then push the harness and its grommet through the hole into the space between the body panel and the bumper. This edge of the bumper along here clips in between the panel into a clipping mechanism behind, but starting at the front end here, pull the bumper out of its clips gently, clip at a time, until that edge is free. I suggest you put a cloth or a piece of carpet or something similar down on the floor, and also wear some gloves for this bit, just in case there are any sharp plastic edges. Double check that you've released all the screws and the clips from all around the bumper. Gently ease the top of the bumper out of the support brackets that are below the rear lights on each side, and now gently lift the bumper rearwards away from the car and put it down on your cloth. And in case you need to remove the armature behind the bumper, it's held to the chassis rails through 2 studs each side with 17mm nuts on, and you access them through the holes here. There is a foam piece that goes between the armature and the bumper as well, although for some reason that's missing on my car. If you're getting value from my video, give it a thumbs up down next to the title, and I'll see you next time.